There was once a team in Marvel's history that came first, but was always left behind. They were called Marvel's first family. But cinema? It never gave them the love they deserved. The first movie in 1994, it never even released. Then came the 2005 version and the 2015 disaster. Everyone gave up until now. 2025. The Fantastic Four. First Steps isn't just a reboot, it's a rebirth. An emotional origin story told like never before. Set in a retrofuturistic 1960s world, this movie mixes vintage style with modern superhero depth. It's more than powers. It's about Reed's brilliance, Sue's heart, Johnny's fire, and Ben's pain. It's about falling apart and finding each other again. Pedro Pascal, Vanessa Kirby, Joseph Quinn, Ebon Moss-Bachrach. Together, they brought this broken family back to life. No over-the-top CGI, no cheap laughs, just heart and pain and hope. And yes, it crushed the box office. A $218 million opening weekend. A franchise reborn. Some called it slow, some called it boring. But those who truly watched, they saw the soul. And just when you think it's over, Galactus appears. This wasn't the end, this was just the first step.